To you, Rumki, there was this, widespread talk about how the GDP number came about last Friday, exactly a week ago, and for whatever reasons, the market sold off, given the inflation number that came in and other sets of issues with the government and the IMF. How are you looking at the GDP number? Uh, do you take comfort from 8.2? Is that how the economy is shaping up?
It is. It is. I mean, nobody expected a growth of 8.2 in the second quarter of the fiscal year. So it was a big surprise, and it clearly shows that there is a lot of underlying strength in the domestic demand, even though exports didn't perform as much. So that's probably one of the reasons why the government is now focusing on double downing on the domestic demand as much as possible. We are also expecting around 8.5% for the third quarter. So if that be the case for 3 straight quarters, then because all the high frequency numbers, if you look at, they are pretty much topping the charts. If you look at the two-wheeler sales, auto sales, or the retail sales, the RAIs, all the numbers are pretty good. And of course, November might be muted, but again, December is a year end, which again is a time for consumers to spend. So if this quarter remains very strong, then even if the fourth quarter is a little muted, the overall year growth will be very high. So we are looking at around 7.5 to 7.8% growth in this fiscal year. Could be even higher, and I don't mind saying that either. But yeah, going forward, this next year, FY27 could be a little muted because we already will be starting with a high base in case the growth continues to be on a stronger footing the next 2 quarters.
Well, the markets seem to be listening to you. Every passing minute, we have an intraday high on the Nifty. Mr. Sharma, I'll come last to you, but one final question to Aditi. 8.2, a lot of...
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.